Okay, this is Engby Quint 4.
Okay. Can you hear me? Mr. Karch, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand, please? You're being called as a witness. Are you okay, sir?
No. Sorry.
Are you able to testify today?
I'm able to testify to what?
Well, Ms. Ng's going to have some questions for you, but I need you to raise your right hand first, please.
I don't talk to you.
Ms. Ng, stay where you are at. Mr. Karch?
What do you mean yes or no? I like that.
Ms. Ng?
You don't have to. You can say I refuse.
Ms. Ng, you stay where you are at. You do not get to
No, this is ridiculous. It's wrong.
Ms. Ng, stay where you're at. Okay, No. Mr. Karch, I just want to check in with you.
Just ask me the question. What? Hurry up.
Okay. Mr. Karch, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah, I can.
I did. Go ahead, Paula.
Judge.
The penalty of perjury.
Judge, you guys need to send paper. No. This is ridiculous.
Under penalty
I'm
of
not the
perjury,
one that.
do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in the matter now pending will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
As I see it, well, you guys should just, this is like a ridiculous kind of thing because I'm not going to be able to describe what I saw. And then you're not going to be able to use whatever I say I saw as being anything said. So basically.
Okay, Mr. Karch, you're excused. Go ahead. Ms. Ng is not confident to testify today. It's pretty clear.
No, actually not. That's true.
Okay, Mr. Karch, you're excused. Thank you for being here. Any other witnesses missing? He's in a bad way. He can't take the oath, ma'am, and I can't hear from him if he can't take the oath. So go ahead.
No, he was the only witness to the hand around my throat on this second or third occurrence of this. Definitely the second occurrence, but there was
any other evidence you wish to offer at this point in time?
I would like to open my records to the court. Anything I have, if for some reason you feel that you cannot come up with an immediate decision, you may have all my records, all my files, all my emails.
Look, I don't just get to take all your records and your files. When you prepare for a trial, you have to mark things as exhibits. You have to offer them. They have to be admitted into the courtroom, and they have to be shown to the other side. So I don't have any exhibits that have been filed, so I can't just take your records.
They are refusing any process service at Lifeboat. And due to no fixed residence of Cory Quint, that does pose an additional burden of evidence. To me, that's what I thought it might be easier to have a courtroom hearing as well in case we could just make copies and then serve both parties or serve the judge as well as the opposing party.
If you have exhibits you want to offer, you can take them and mark them, and you can offer them, and we'll make sure that Mr. Quint gets a copy. But I'm not guaranteeing they're going to be admissible because you've got a lot of stuff that you put in there that isn't really relevant. I've got specific legal decisions to make. You've got a lot of other life stuff that's going on, and I understand, that that's important to you, but I have specific things that I have to focus on and specific things that are admissible and aren't. So if you've got something you think is admissible that you think I need to see in order to make the decisions in this case, then you can go ahead and mark it as an exhibit and offer it and tell me what it is.
For expediency, Your Honor, in the interest of time, I believe my witness testimony as suffering these repeated occurrences is sufficient basis for a preponderance of the evidence for a protective stalking order. Regardless of your decision, I defer to your wisdom and thank you for allowing me to bring this case in your court, and I will spare you further commentary unless you state a desire for my voluminous emails.
Thank you. So I am going to now hear from Mr. Quint. It's his turn. So, Mr. Quint, you have been sworn. You've heard Ms.